And you see here, volume 24 hours is up by 20.91% at 69.9 million. And then the total market cap for Pendle, guys, is at $480.4 million. What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about one of the largest yield tokenization protocols in the cryptocurrency market. Not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Pendle. A link will be in the description of the video. This is their landing page. So it is a yield tokenization protocol that is bringing interest rate swaps to DeFi, and one of the largest in the market with over 400 trillion US dollars in notional value. And let me go ahead and show you this one. So this is a tweet from DeFi made here. So at the moment, and then they tagged Pendle is one of my favorite protocols tech-wise, but it is complex and I will need a few threads to explain how it works. And then this brings the TradFi interest derivative market worth over 400 trillion US dollars in notional value into DeFi and making it all accessible to everyone. All right. Now, guys, moving forward, so Pendle actually is one of the major players on Arbitrum and growing. So Pendle also amassed a total of $100 million on total value lock on Arbitrum. Let me go ahead and show you that real quick right here. So I actually made some research for you guys. So I wanted to show you like this one's right here. So Pendle, and then the total value lock is at 347,069,302 at the moment. The total trading volume, guys, is a whopping $625.1 million already. So that is how big this one is actually. So also you might be asking, is Pendle audited? The Pendle is actually a code base that has been fully audited by reputable auditors, and all the flaws have been addressed. And then you could also check out the reports right here. Let me go ahead and show that to you real quick. So if you are that type of person that really digs into all the information, which again I strongly recommend when you do your own research, guys, this is something that you can head on to. That way you could check out all the editing, the audit reports for Pendle. So this is where you can actually find them. All right. Now guys, Pendle provides one of the highest yields for LSD assets or the stable coins on Arbitrum. And let me go ahead and show you this one real quick. Alright, so this is Twitter. And again, guys, I would strongly suggest that you follow all their social media platforms. I'll show that to you in a bit. And then this one right here. You don't want to get on Santa's bad side now, do you? So naughty list, you have the nice list right here. All greens, right? You can go ahead and check that one out as well. And then at the bottom of their website, guys, you have Twitter, you have Pendle Finance for Discord, and then you have Medium right here. You even have GitHub, Telegram, you even have CoinGecko, okay, and the Gecko terminal. All right, and of course, guys, before we end the video, I would like to show you how much the value for Pendle is right now. It is at 2.02 and it's still healthy. It goes up, it goes down. And as we all know, when Bitcoin goes down, a majority of the altcoins as well as the blue chip coins goes down with it. So it has a very healthy. And you see here, volume 24 hours is up by 20.91% at 69.9 million. And then the total market cap for Pendle, guys, is at $480.4 million currently. And guys, I would strongly suggest that you stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful for you guys in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.